Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener. Here you can find help in starting and creating a garden for your home.
Bluecrop blueberries are a popular variety known for their sweet taste and high yields. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to plant Bluecrop blueberries. Choose the right location. Blueberries thrive in acidic soil with a pH between 4.5 and 5.5. Test your soil pH and amend it if necessary by adding sulfur or other acidifiers. Select a spot with full sun exposure, at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight per day. Ensure good drainage to prevent waterlogging, as blueberries don't like sitting in water. Prepare the soil. Clear the area of any weeds, rocks, or debris. Work the soil by tilling or digging up the area to a depth of about 18 inches. Mix in organic matter like peat moss, pine bark, or compost to improve soil texture and acidity. Planting. Blueberries need to be planted in a group at least 2 different varieties for cross-pollination for optimal fruit production. Dig holes that are twice as wide and as deep as the root ball of the blueberry plant. Place the blueberry plant in the hole, making sure the top of the root ball is level with the soil surface. Backfill the hole with soil and pat it gently to remove air pockets. Water thoroughly. Mulching and watering. Apply a layer of mulch, pine bark, wood chips, or sawdust around the base of the plants to conserve moisture, suppress weeds, and maintain soil acidity. Water the plants regularly, especially during dry spells. Blueberries need consistent moisture, but they don't like soggy conditions. Pruning and maintenance. Prune the plants in late winter or early spring to remove dead or damaged branches and to shape the bushes for better air circulation and fruit production. Fertilize blueberries in early spring with a balanced fertilizer specifically formulated for acid-loving plants. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for application. Protecting from pests. Use netting to protect the ripening fruit from birds. Monitor for pests like aphids, mites, or fruit flies and treat as needed with organic or chemical solutions, following instructions carefully. Harvesting. Bluecrop blueberries typically mature in mid to late summer. Harvest when the berries turn blue and easily come off the stem with a gentle tug. Remember, Bluecrop blueberries are relatively low maintenance, but they require proper care for healthy growth and optimal fruit production. Regular maintenance, adequate watering, proper fertilization, and protection from pests are key to successful blueberry cultivation. To see more, like and subscribe.